Snowmass Village project, October 27th. So this week we accomplished setting stairs, pouring concrete on those stairs. We had a lot of snow, but we got the first run pretty much poured. You can see the snowfall there. You can see that we have a lot of grading to do still, but we're working on that. We started pouring the steps. You can see the wire in there, the rebar tied into the stem walls, those concrete stem walls that were poured. The floating out the concrete, manhandling tons and tons of gravel. You can see Zach there shoveling out of the back of the truck. And you can see, of course, the wire, the float, pouring it all. I mean, this is a lot of hard work, especially in cold weather. You can see our heater on the side there. And, of course, we had blanket heaters underneath our concrete blankets to keep that concrete warm at night because it was getting down into the teens. There again, filling those holes, concrete blanket, keeping everything warm. Went out, picked up a mini excavator to do our backfill, our grading, which we got through the rigors with HP Kumar, our soils engineer, as well as do all the drainage and all that engineering is all signed off. Backfilling, grading, there again, getting all backfilled, compacted, and graded. Quite an effort, big week, a lot of snow. But it turned out really nice. HP Kumar was very helpful. There's a nice panoramic shot for you. You can see that upper deck on that third level patio that we plugged all those holes. We finally got it sealed, confirmed. Now we're ready for our next layer as soon as the weather permits. Bringing back the roofer that we already paid but was under Corrine's Cordon's management, if you will, and they left it open, a bunch of puncture marks. Needless to say, we had to tear it off because we don't do that kind of work. We wanted to make sure we had the highest quality. So there you go. It is confirmed. It's a solid underlayment and ready for the next stage. But this week, like I said, we mainly focused on stairs. Here we're getting prepared to some of those leaks that were caused by the puncture holes, did some damage in the entryway to the sheetrock. I'm preparing and doing diagrams for all the new railing again to be installed the second time. You can see here I'm doing my diagrams and punching out all of our preparatory work for angle, rake, rise, and run. Installed the laundry unit. We got that installed this week as well. There again, the grade on the north side stair. Prepping for that south side stair, getting all the railing there again drawn out. You can see our template and our design for that Jasper Black. You can see our railing where it's going to be going. All of that prepped. See some of our tile out here ready to go. And then, of course, the rise and run for the railing on the back on the both exterior stairs going up to the third level. And there's the other third level stair, brackets, etc. Getting our rise and run. Rise and run on the final set of stairs that we're pouring currently. And grading and cutting out a finger on that north side. Really, really turned out nice. We did a really nice job with the grading. Zach really put together a nice little package on that north side. It turned out much more not only functional but very, very easy to walk up and down. A nice, just a nice grading job. He did a nice job on the landscaping. We just got to cover it now with some of the rollout and erosion control fabric. There again for your railing, working on that hillside, getting it prepped for erosion control. The stairs, getting those backfilled, pouring them one at a time. So that's where we're at as of October 27th, 2019. We're up a couple of 4 stairs, have it partially graded and prepped out for the railing. As well as finished some of the interior sheetrock damage.